Hello, Scrappy Peeps! Suzanna here today for the Scrap Room to share with you this layout created with the Joyful Notes collection from Paislee. So when you get the kit, you will get these 3 pieces of patterned paper, as well as 2 pieces of cardstock, and these are the embellishments. And then I get the embellishment add-ons, and those are the embellishments that coordinate, as well as the patterned paper add-on, and these are the 2 pieces that come that are coordinating with the kit. So I have 3 square photos here, one of each of the 3 of us that were home for Easter. It wasn't actually Easter itself, it was the day before Easter, but the closest to Easter celebrating really that we did. And so I am creating headers and footers for the top and the bottom of the page. And so you can see I've got 2-inch strips. I'm pretty sure they're 2-inch strips. And then I thought that I would use one of these borders from the embellishments, so the sticker. But you will see as soon as I put it down that it doesn't go, it's not 12 inches wide. And so I thought, oh, well, that's a pain. I'll look for an embellishment that I can put at the top there, then cut it, and then give myself that extra room to make it up. But I didn't really, that pattern paper is really busy, and so having an embellishment up the top there, it wasn't going to work. So I'm kind of thinking about it as I continue to create. I really like the pink on the top of the blue here, and I thought, oh, well, there's another pink, so maybe I will use that pink, and then that way we have complement to top and bottom. They're different, but they're complementary, and that sort of pulls it together, and it really pulls out that purpley mauvey red in the top as well. And yeah, so that is going to be the header and then the footer. So I also thought it would be cool to add this strip in, just to add a little bit to the top and the bottom. And again, that pulls the layout together so something is the same at the top as it is at the bottom. So I wasn't quite sure how I was going to format these. I knew I wanted to incorporate these journal cards or pocket cards. I am all about pocket cards. Those of you who know me know that. And so I wanted to incorporate those in somehow for the journaling as well as color. I like that it's tone on tone color. You've got that very bright piece up the top that is multicolored, and you know I like that because that's sort of what I call the uniting factor. And so I wanted to somehow create 2 columns with photos on one side and then the other photo on the other side, along with some journaling. And I do actually end up creating the 2 columns, but I will tell you off camera. So be sure to go and check out my IG at some other point, but I will off camera. And this is literally days, weeks later off camera, go and rearrange this. And I don't have a video of the rearranging. I was just so annoyed by the space in the middle there. It was definitely trapped space to me. So I'm not going to lie, I do rearrange this so that it's a little bit more blocky and gritty. I was trying to get away from that, but it just wasn't going to work. So I'm going to cut another one of the 6x4s here. Actually, I'm making it a 6x4 out of pattern paper just to frame this up, because it needs, I don't know, it just literally looks like this sort of column standing out in the middle of nowhere. And then I know I want to use that flower and fussy cut some embellishments, so I'm just going to take that out of the middle because otherwise it's just wasted paper behind. So yeah. And I have another card here that I'm going to use to mat these photos. So you can see how we have these 2 like skyscrapers standing in the middle and that trapped space. It's not terrible, but it's not me, and it's disturbing to me. So yeah, be sure you check out my IG to see how I amended that, because it literally was done after I have edited this video, and so I had to retake pictures in order to be able to show you. So with the embellishment add-ons, you get those foam stickers. So there's lots of cool phrases that are there. So I want to use celebration because we are wearing Easter Bunny glasses, and it was Easter. And so that was how they were just fun Easter pictures because we were in Arizona for Easter and yeah, didn't really get to celebrate Easter as we otherwise would have. So I am fussy cutting the white edge off of this sticker because I do that because it's just too much white. When I want to put it on a white background, it's just too much. And so it's easy to do and I don't mind fussy cutting. So I'm going to use these florals to just see, and that's not bad, but again, there's trapped space above and below that I just didn't like. So I go back to my original setting and I like the way that the flowers, so I do have 3 floral clusters here. They're different flowers, but there are 3 blue flowers that will tie it all together. So just to recap, this is a layout that I am doing for the scrap room. It is a kit club. So when you subscribe, you get 4 a taste, right? Flavors of the month. So you get 4 flavors. Each is a different collection, and you get 3 pattern papers, 2 pieces of cardstock, and a selection of embellishments. So each selection is going to be different depending on just how it gets sorted out. And then you have the option of putting cardstock add-ons, pattern paper add-ons, as well as embellishment add-ons. And when you get those add-ons, you get the pattern paper for all 4 collections, or the embellishments or the embellishments for all 4 collections. I love that I don't have to choose, that Rochelle has mixed and matched for me, which I think is super awesome. And that way I can decide if I like the collection enough to go and buy more of it or supplement it. And you can do more than one layout. I mean, I have tons left over from each of these kits that I create with every month, and I create so much with these kits, so be sure to check them out if you're not familiar, and I will link you up in the description box down below. And if you are here and on the ScrapRoom YouTube channel, you know that I do a video every month. It's usually the first Saturday of every month. And then some of the other design team gals do process videos as well. So be sure to come back to this channel or head to the ScrapRoom channel if you're watching this from my channel to see how other designers can inspire you with what they're creating from the kits. So just trying to add little bits and pieces, because again, there's tons of great embellishments, so adding a little bit more to the layout, and I will journal in that spot there. The close-ups are to follow. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this process video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave those in the box down below. Thanks for stopping in today. I hope you're doing well. Come back again soon. Take care.